Hi, I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey, and let's talk about bot trading. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about bot trading. If you want more information, head over to the description, click on the link, you get a whole lot more info. For today, and in this video, I'm just going to talk about the advantages of bot trading. And first of all, you might say, well, what's bot trading anyways? Well, it's been called a lot of things over the years. Way back when, it used to be called system trading, mechanical trading, rule-based trading, algo trading, bot trading. They're all basically the same thing. What it is a set of rules that you put into your trading platform that tell you when to buy and sell. And if you automate it, it will automatically buy and sell for you. That's the bot part. So you can think of this bot as just executing your orders and buying and selling as you have programmed. That's what bot trading is. So what are the advantages of bot trading? Well, first of all, I think the biggest benefit is that you can historically test whatever it is you're wanting to trade. Right? So let's just say you have a simple moving average system. Has that worked historically? Most people just assume, oh yeah, it is. I read it in some book that somebody said that worked, so I'm going to go trade it. Well, that's kind of silly, right? You're putting your hard-earned money into the thoughts of somebody else who said it worked. Hey, test it for yourself. That's what bot trading allows you to do. You can go and historically test it. It's called a back test. And see if that particular buy and sell rule set worked. Maybe it did, maybe it didn't. But you can test it. That's a huge advantage to bot trading. So you can only allow yourself to trade strategies that have made money or bots that have made money and eliminate the ones that haven't. That's a big advantage. Another big advantage is you can trade a whole bunch of bots at the same time, especially if you automate it, right? You can trade 10, 20 different futures markets all at the same time with the same bot, different bots, whatever you want to do. And they'll automatically take trades for you. So you don't have to be stuck to the computer watching every single tick on every single chart. You still want to monitor your bots, but at the same time, you don't have to be glued to a chart watching every new bar. Your bots will know what to do, and they'll buy and sell properly. So that's another big advantage of bot trading. And the third one is not as great an advantage as you might think, but a lot of people talk about, oh, bot trading is emotionless. And that's a great advantage if it was true, but it's not always true. Bots have emotions. Not the bots, but the person trading the bot does. And as long as real money is involved in your trading, you're going to be emotional, even if you're trading bots. You can't just let it go and walk away forever. That would be just idiotic. You've got to be on top of your bot. And what that means is your emotions will play with you. You saw the bot lost its last 3 trades. So maybe you want to turn it off now. And your brain is saying, oh, this bot's broken. Your emotions start to play a role. And they start to interfere with it. So while automating bots can be a big advantage, watch out for your emotions. And if you just let the bot do its trading without you interfering, then bot trading can have a big advantage. Okay, so those are just 3 advantages of bot trading. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment. What's your experience with bot trading? I'd love to hear it. I'm Kevin Davey. Have a great day.